Are you struggling to calculate sales commissions using QuickBooks Online? If yes, I'm going to show you how easy it is to sync QuickBooks data into Sales Cookie, a powerful commission automation platform. You can access Sales Cookie from Intuit's App Store or go to salescookie.com and start a 2-week free trial, no credit card required. Next, go to Account, My Workspaces, and create a new logical workspace for your company. Next, go to Settings, Connections, search for QuickBooks Online, and authorize a read-only access to your data. Next, we're going to fetch QuickBooks data so we can choose the entity or entities we want to sync from for commission calculation purposes. I'm going to sync invoices as my commissions are based on that. And when I set up the sync, Sales Cookie will show me some intuitive mapping to make sure I correctly credit and I correctly commission my reps, my teams, and my territories. And for future, it will remember that mapping and retrieve data incrementally every hour. So within minutes, I can see my QuickBooks sync in action. I can see my dummy invoice data using the QuickBooks fields I'm used to. In the next video, we'll show you how to automate commissions using QuickBooks data. As next steps, please book a one-on-one demo or start a 2-week free trial or explore our app from Intuit's App Store. Thanks for watching and see you soon.